Hi, my name is Melissa and I'm one of the librarians at Bloomsbury University. This video will teach you how to access and use Bloomsbury Fashion Business Cases. This is a collection of case studies focusing on the fashion industry, and it's part of a bigger database called Bloomsbury Fashion Central. You can access both of these via the database A to Z on the library website. To access the online library, go to www.fastbar.ac.uk/library. You can also access it via Minerva. From the library homepage, you want to scroll down to Databases A to Z. Scroll down to B for Bloomsbury, and then from here select Bloomsbury Fashion Business Cases, and then Access Now. This database includes case studies on topics such as design, product development, production, sourcing, retailing, branding, and supply chain management. The case studies allow you to apply what you've learned in lectures and seminars to real-world situations. Case studies are written by experts in the field and are edited and reviewed before publication. They're considered an academic source and you're very much encouraged to use them in your assignments. You might even spot a few familiar names in there. The database is really simple to use. You can either browse by topic, and here you have your case study. Or you can search by keyword and then refine to business cases. For example, each business case will have the option to download an article. If you do so, it will really handily show you everything you need to be able to reference your business case, as well as being really simple to find at a later date if you need to use it within your referencing. Bloomsbury have also created some really handy videos and tips that you can use to help you understand how to use the business cases within your work. If you're on the home page for the database, just scroll down to the bottom, click on Using Case Studies, then click on Learning with Cases. And then there's lots of tips in there that you can use and apply in your work. Using these case studies within your assignments will be really helpful because they are using current, up-to-date and relevant examples of fashion businesses, so you can use them to enhance your work. If you have any further questions about using any databases, especially Bloomsbury Fashion Business Cases, you can contact your subject librarian. This database covers a couple of different disciplines, so you need to choose who that is. You can see who your subject librarian is through the subject pages with the link on screen. The subject librarians are available for virtual appointments at times that suit you. And also we've got a 24/7 library chat service, which is accessible through the library homepage. Thanks for watching.